My dear students, welcome in the online teaching of St. Thomas School. My dear students, we are going to study moral science subject. Chapter number 4 is going on, errors of life. In this chapter, this is video number 3. We are going to discuss page number 11. The preparation for committing suicide was also made. They collected some poisonous seeds and decided to eat them. But thank God, their courage failed them. So they forsook the idea of committing suicide. Along with that, they bid goodbye to smoking too. So, my dear students, here in this paragraph you see, it is said, due to smoking, Gandhiji was feeling guilty. Therefore, he made preparation for committing suicide. Even he collected poisonous seeds also and decided to eat. But ultimately, due to their courage was not there for making suicide, that was good. Here, the word forsook is there, means to leave. Means, in this paragraph, committing suicide idea was failed. For that purpose, this word is used. Page number 11, last paragraph. But the habit of stealing continued. When he was at the age of 15, Gandhiji stole a bit of gold from his brother's bracelet. That brought him to a moral crisis. The peak of conscience was such that Gandhiji could not bear it any longer. Everyone who does wrong things suffers moral crisis. Their conscience will continuously question them and will go on reminding them of their guilt. They lose mental peace and happiness. They may forfeit interest and enthusiasm. A kind of fear and restlessness follows them always. Gandhiji also underwent similar situations that brought Gandhiji to atonement. He decided to confess his crime to his father, but he was not courageous. Hence, he wrote a letter in which he explained his wrongdoing and asked for punishment. He also promised not to repeat such mistakes in future. Gandhiji's father read it and wept, and he loved his son all the more. A good and sincere confession always moves hearts. Gandhiji's was a sincere confession. It expressed sorrow over the mistake done, willingness to undergo any punishment, and a firm decision to avoid such mistakes in future. So, my dear students, in this paragraph you see Gandhiji's habit of stealing is continued. When he was at the age of 15, Gandhiji stole a bit of gold from his brother's bracelet, and that is not good. That is a moral crisis. In that sense, everyone who does wrong things suffers moral crisis. In the similar manner, Gandhiji also was not comfortable because his mental peace has gone. He was not happy at all. He was not having interest for doing work. He was not having enthusiasm. Fear was there. He could not take rest. So, like that situation is there when we are doing wrong. Then, Gandhiji wanted to confess due to his crime, but he was not courageous. But he realized that is very good. Then Gandhiji wrote later and he explained everything whatever he did. And he asked for punishment. And he gave promise also in later that he would not repeat such mistakes. That is very good. We need to learn after making mistakes. We have to ask for the punishment. We have to go for the confession to our parents. And after reading Gandhiji's letter, father was loving more and more to him because that was a sincere confession. And after confession, he was okay and he was ready to take any punishment. And in future, he avoided everything. On page number 12, last paragraph, weak man makes mistakes, but only courageous man can confess and say sorry. It is ideal not to make mistakes and do only the right things. The next best way is to confess the mistakes and say sorry with a firm resolve not to repeat them. Many people became great through confessions. Confession and atonement restore our mental peace and happiness. Guilt feelings will be removed and all be at ease. So, my dear students, in this paragraph, you see it is said, weak man makes mistakes, but only courageous man can confess and say sorry. So, if we are having a courage, then after making mistakes, no problem, we can say sorry. Like that, peace will be there in our mind. So, it is ideal not to make mistakes and do only the right things. But in case if we are making mistakes, no problem, we can say sorry and we have to try to avoid mistakes. So, you see, the next best way is to confess the mistakes. Then we will be comfortable. And many great personalities are there. After making mistakes, they made confession also. And in order to get mental peace and happiness, This confession is very good because guilt feelings will be removed and all be at easy, means we will become comfortable. We can get the happiness and mental peace by making confession. Thank you very much.